Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the headlight switch. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. To remove this switch, you actually don't need any kind of tools. You just need to know the technique on how to do it. Because if you try to pry it out, you will damage the switch, you will damage the dashboard, and you will still not be able to pull it out. So what you have to do, you have to push this middle piece all the way in. You see it goes in, and then gently pull it, turn it to the right and pull the switch out. That's it, you see? Very easy to do. Okay, now to disconnect the switch, I will try to zoom in. There is like a small black lever right here. You see it here? You just want to push onto that lever and disconnect the switch. Now I'll have to do this using both of my hands probably. Okay, sorry about that. I needed help with the other hand, the one I hold the phone with. Now anyways, I will show you once again. You see there is this small clip here. Just want to press it and pull the switch out. So with your one hand hold the switch, with the other hand press this tab and just pull out. That's it. Very easy to do. And here's the part number as well in case you will need it. So 56046258AC. Your best option probably is getting a used one from a car salvage or car wreckers, because that will cost you maybe $10 or $20. If you get a brand new from dealership, the price could be double or triple. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.